Tom and Sam were two woodcutters who worked in a dense forest. Tom was known for his incredible strength and speed, chopping wood tirelessly from dawn till dusk. Sam, on the other hand, worked at a steady pace but always seemed to have a larger pile of chopped wood by the end of the day. One day, Tom couldn't contain his curiosity any longer. "Sam," he asked, "how do you manage to cut so much more wood than I do, even though you work slower?" Sam smiled and replied, "Every day, I spend some time sharpening my axe before I start chopping." Tom was surprised. He had never thought about taking time to sharpen his axe. He always believed working harder and longer would yield better results. Determined to improve, Tom decided to follow Sam's advice. Each morning, he now spent time sharpening his axe before beginning his work. To Tom's amazement, he found that with a sharper axe, he could cut wood more efficiently and with less effort. His woodpile grew larger and larger, and soon he was producing more wood than ever before. Tom learned a valuable lesson: taking the time to prepare and improve your tools and skills can lead to greater success. From then on, he and Sam both thrived, their sharp axes a testament to the power of working smarter, not just harder. By sharpening his tools and skills, he achieved success more effortlessly. The lesson was clear: investing time in honing your abilities can lead to greater victories.